That's right. It's more speed shots from Galaxy Speed Shop USA. It's JD Hogg. Oh, we have another competitor also. Nice, JD. Were you up on the hill?
A Porsche with a Dodge. Yeah, like my space shot.
Nice. Peace out.
I can't believe how fast that is with that approach.
You're gonna be going that fast, dude. I got a 4,000 coming for you. You're gonna be, yeah.
Well, yeah, we were just talking about trying to understand the motors and the, what do you call it, the KV?
KV, yeah.
Yeah. It's not kilovolts. That's RPM per volt, literally. That's 4,000. No, it's not. That's what
we thought was too.
No, I don't know how they came up with that, but that is RPMs per volt. So however many volts you have, you multiply that by 4,000. That's how fast. That's the RPM of the motor.
And so
but
you get shit like this.
The faster the RPM, the less torque. So you have to the lower.
You always sacrifice one way or the other.
Yep.
Right?
Yep, you want
more
speed
torque,
or you
RPM.
want, yep, it's just like in real life.
Hey, check this out with the new wheels. We put new wheels.
Put the stampeders